What is keyword density? Keyword density is the percentage of times a keyword or phrase appears on a web page compared to the total number of words on the page. In the context of search engine optimization, keyword density can be used to determine whether a web page is relevant to a specified keyword or keyword phrase. What is search engine optimization? Search engine optimization is the process of improving the quality and quantity of website traffic. What is a reciprocal link? The term reciprocal link describes the practice of exchanging links between two or more websites. A "you link to me, I'll link to you" type situation. This practice is often employed in the misguided belief that Google will rank both sites higher. What is LSI? Latent semantic analysis is a technique in natural language processing, in particular distributional semantics, of analyzing relationships between a set of documents and the terms they contain by producing a set of concepts related to the documents and terms. What is Panda update? Google Panda is a major change to Google's search results ranking algorithm that was first released in February 2011. The change aimed to lower the rank of low-quality sites, or thin sites, in particular content farms, and return higher quality sites near the top of the search results. What is Penguin update? Google Penguin was a codename for a Google algorithm update that was first announced on April 24. What is Pigeon update? Launched on July 24, 2014 for US English results, the Pigeon update is a new algorithm to provide more useful, relevant and accurate local search results that are tied more closely to traditional web search ranking signals. What is Hummingbird update? Hummingbird is the codename given to a significant algorithm change in Google search in 2013. Its name was derived from the speed and accuracy of the hummingbird. The change was announced on September 26, 2013, having already been in use for a month. What is a doorway page? Doorway pages are web pages that are created for the deliberate manipulation of search engine indexes. A doorway page will affect the index of a search engine by inserting results for particular phrases while sending visitors to a different page. What is search engine spam? Search engine spam refers to measures that try to influence the position a website has in search engines. One example is an abnormally high number of keywords within a website's content and meta tags. When search engines discover search engine spam on a website, that site is penalized. What is a meta description? The meta description is one of a web page's meta tags. With this meta information, webmasters can briefly sketch out the content and quality of a web page. The meta description is one of a web page's meta tags. With this meta information, webmasters can briefly sketch out the content and quality of a web page. What is anchor text? The anchor text, link label or link text is the visible, clickable text in an HTML hyperlink. The term anchor was used in older versions of the HTML specification for what is currently referred to as the element. What is an XML sitemap? The Sitemaps protocol allows a webmaster to inform search engines about URLs on a website that are available for crawling. A sitemap is an XML file that lists the URLs for a site. What is Google Webmaster Tools? Google Search Console is a web service by Google, formerly Google Webmasters, which allows webmasters to check indexing status and optimize visibility of their websites. Until May 20, 2015, the service was called Google Webmaster Tools. What is a named entity? In information extraction, a named entity is a real-world object, such as persons, locations, organizations, products, etc., that can be denoted with a proper name. It can be abstract or have a physical existence. What is an answer box? What's an answer box? An answer box is a SERP feature, usually displayed in a light gray box, that occurs above the organic results, left column, and tries to directly answer a question. What is rich snippets? Rich snippets is the term used to describe structured data markup that site operators can add to their existing HTML, which in turn allows search engines to better understand what information is contained on each web page.